Hey everybody, thanks for switching over to MoGo. Chris, we're doing Formula V at Summit Point once again. Why? Because I really enjoy this thing, and it's getting tougher as I increase my rating. So we're the number 10 car, qualified P5. I didn't have the best qualifying, but you know, it is what it is. Racecraft and race pace is always oh, time to go.
Green, green, green.
That's what I get for reading text. That guy had a great start.
Right side. Clear. You got a slow car on the left.
Well, there go two.
Right. Right side. Still there. Hold your line. Clear.
Alright, pretty good. P4 after all that?
Go right.
Shoot.
Car right. Got wheel damage. Keep to the left. Clear.
Alright, let's see how bad this...
Car is stowed. You'll need a tow back to pit lane.
No, I'm driving right now. What are you talking about?
We'll come and get you.
Oh, I see what he's saying. Shit. Man.
All the damage is repairable.
Oh, I thought we were in a really good spot there. He lost it on the turn. What could I have done differently? So I'm on the gas. It was the brakes that... Oops. It was the brakes that got me. Getting on the brakes, but I... Let's see this wheel. Let's see if I turn the wheel anymore. Yeah, I made... I don't know if there's really much else I can do. I caught that gnat and then it just flew away. What a bummer. Is what it is, you know. Finish out the race. I understand if you don't want to watch anymore. Maybe something fun happens, maybe not. I don't know. I don't know. Haven't lived it yet.
Move it, move it.
Eric, just work together so we can try and catch that front pack.
He's right. Alright, so I'm in 11th. I've got 31 seconds to catch up to 10th. "32 seconds. Losing a lot of I rating. That's how it goes, though, you know. Oh my god, what was that? You never know, people could get taken out. Never know. Let me walk you through a lap of the guy is second to last. Alright. So, there's a way where you can take this turn and not brake. That's not it. I'm sorry, not let off the gas. We'll have some draft here. If there's anyone ahead of you, hold the draft. And then I like to brake right after the 2 mark. 3, 2, boom. Hard brake down to third. So earlier, I should have broke a little bit more before I started to turn and got on the gas a little bit more. 4th gear. This is all gas. Take the turn. Use this. You're going to be right on the edge, but that's okay. You'll get used to it. And then you want to hug the left side. I'm going to slow down because this guy never takes this turn quite right. I start braking a little bit after the dirt patch on the right. Down to third. I try to use the gas to make sure that I keep traction through that turn. A lot of people lose it, as you saw earlier. And then I'm full throttle all the way through this. That's when I know I take it right. However, do not hesitate to let off the gas through any of those turns to put you in position where you need to be. You know, I'd rather lose maybe a 10th or 2 and keep myself where I'm at than push too hard and either getting off track or 10th place, baby. Alright, let's see if we can catch up to 9th. Alright, so once again I'm looking for the dirt patch on the right, brake, 3rd gear, gas, keep the car intact, straighten it out here, brake again, turn in, giving it gas again. Using the gas to help me go all the way around. On the throttle, on throttle, on throttle. Turn in again, on throttle, on throttle, on throttle. Shift to the top of the hill. Where's the turn-in spot here for... Close, I was close. I let off just a little bit mid-turn to help it rotate. Oops, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Is he gonna take it? Hopefully we don't get in an accident here.
Clear on the right.
A little over under action.
Clear on the left.
Doing it for the fans. Currently 9th place. Somehow. I'll take it. full second down.
Car 4 has taken the lead.
Seems like a fun race up front. Wish I was in it. We gonna do this again, dude? Oh, he backed off. That was nice of him. I think I've got some damage on this straight. Maybe not. Last lap. Probably not catching up to 8th. Man, great battle up front. I wonder if these are the lead cars ahead of me. I think they are, and I'm just a lap down.
Car stop on the right. You got a slow car on the left. Go right. Left side. Clear.
No words on the radio from him. Well, hey, it is what it is. They can't all be super exciting, right? Appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe for better races than this. You know, that's why you don't give up. I could have lost, what, 20-something more I rating. Probably more if I gave up. Hopefully I gained some safety rating. I mean, only 4x from that. I don't even know what to call it.
Hey, Sam, you're please don't break right
got a
after the
slow car on the
finish.
right.
I was still on the gas.
Chicken flag.
Dude,
chicken
the race is
flag.
over. Who cares?
Nice run. Solid work.
Thanks for watching, everyone.